How to set Earth Wallpaper on iOS 16. So first step is to go on your lock screen, long press on the empty space, and this one should appear. Now swipe left until you see the plus icon. Tap on that, and in here, you can now see the Earth Wallpaper. It is named Astronomy. However, it may not be in the featured section of your screen. So what you can do is swipe left the circles on top, and in here you can also see the astronomy. So click on that, and you will now see the Earth. If you slide it left, you can just play around with it. Now take note that this Earth will zoom into where you live in. So as long as you have your location services turned on, it will focus to where your location is. Now, if the Earth is covering your time and you don't want that, what you can do is to add a widget and the Earth will not go on top anymore. So click on Add Widgets, choose what you want, and as you can see, it is not on top anymore. So that is how to set Earth Wallpaper on iOS 16. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.